There are nearly 7,500 homeless people in San Francisco. And that's the official number. Some say it could be as high as 12,000 people. In a city that's only 7 by 7 miles. Public restrooms and showers are really not available for this group of people. Just a few years ago, there were only 16 showers and about as many restrooms available to homeless people across the city of San Francisco, making personal hygiene incredibly difficult. The nonprofit Lavame is changing that. Thanks to them, thousands more homeless people get to shower.
Butler, number 3, William.
I'm going right in. I'm going right in.
Lavame is a mobile hygiene unit. We show up in a truck and trailer. The trailer has 3 stalls with a shower, a sink, and a toilet.
One day I got in a cab. We hit the Tenderloin, which is the area here that has the highest number of people on the street. And the cabbie leans over his shoulder and he says to me, "Welcome to the land of broken dreams." And despite having been through the Tenderloin hundreds of times, I really saw people. And my first thought was that not a single one of them, when they were little, ever dreamed of growing up to live on the street. And yet there they were. And in that moment, I decided that I was going to find some more meaningful way to help. I'd see these amazing food trucks with gourmet food going all around. So I thought, why can't we do what they're doing? Let's put showers and toilets on the bus and take it around to wherever people need it. We have had people who open the door and they're in tears, and it's because they've been able to get clean for the first time in so long.
What do you get when you come here to Lavame?
Respect. That's the main thing. They give you your toiletries, your socks, towel, everything you need to take a shower, razor, I forgot to shave. But, the main thing is they treat you with respect here.
Had someone tell me because of the shower, I was able to call my mom, or I was confident to go into Starbucks and get an application, and I got a job there now.
It's not only accessing jobs and opportunities, but it's about a sense of dignity. And dignity is a two-way street. It is as much about how you feel about yourself as how people treat you. To date, we've served over 17,000 unhoused Californians, which utterly blows me away.
I always say that we are teaching people how they should be treated. This isn't special. We're just doing us.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Freethink for more great videos every week. If you're inspired by the work that Lavame is doing, they provide an online toolkit to replicate their mobile hygiene services in cities like yours. In fact, they've inspired more than 100 programs across the US and around the world.